Working with Havio is not just having a health and safety consultant, it's having another member of the team. Virtus are a fit-out specialist main contractor. We do all sorts of fit-outs to commercial properties. We do some retail, working with big clients like AXA and Apple, but also small sort of independent clients too. People definitely don't worry about Havio turning up on site because firstly, they know it's important. Havio have helped drive a culture to make sure everyone thinks health and safety is important. But also they know there's a friendly face coming behind the sort of auditor's iPad that isn't there to blame or point fingers, but is really just there to make sure everyone goes home at the end of the day safe. When clients know, we're backed by Havio, they know that we take health and safety seriously. And I think it just means in the tender process, when they see a name like Havio, they sort of know, that's going to be trusted. It's not something that they need to worry about in terms of the health and safety standards we will keep on site. Havio approach health and safety differently to other consultants and sort of solutions, I think for their really personal approach. They really come and integrate themselves as part of the team. They're not just a tick box, they're not just a software. They are someone who, when they're on site that day, they are part of that project team and they are working towards solutions rather than just pointing out non-conformances and non-compliances. And I think that's really refreshing to see and we love having them on site. You definitely want to make sure your teams are up for taking health and safety seriously. It's not just a tick box, it's not just a software that's going to look fancy. They're going to care, they're going to be thorough, but it really is going to add to your project teams. I think it really helps to drive a good culture of health and safety. I've been here for only a year, we've always had Havio on board, but something that I knew we needed to change from day one is that we were not looking closely enough at our environmental management. So we've actually been able to work with Havio, who have now included a whole environmental section within their inspections. So they've really managed to sort of amalgamate the two subjects, make it be possible in one audit. So it means as a company, we are now auditing and monitoring our environmental management as well as our health and safety. And we wouldn't have been able to do that without Havio on board. On site, what it's meant is that me as a one-person band within my team, I am not having to visit all of our sites every month myself to do environmental inspections. It's really freed up my time to drive other projects that we've got going on at the moment, like our social value and community giving. I have time now that's freed up because Havio helped me do my environmental management inspections. I would definitely recommend Havio. All of their sort of solutions and systems, firstly, very user-friendly. I mean, it's very accessible to show top management how we're performing. They're very professional on site, very thorough. We know that nothing's getting sort of left unlooked at. I think they are really personal. They make it feel like everyone's part of a team working towards one goal, and they really make it a sort of friendly atmosphere so that health and safety audits aren't something that people dread.